Hello and welcome. Today we'll be talking about the PWPAM camping lunchbox. This is a 0.9 liter lunchbox. It's made out of 304 HD stainless steel. This was sent out to me for review, and it features a bamboo top lid which you can prepare food on, and they also sent me a 5-in-1 cutlery tool. It features a spoon, can opener, bottle opener, a fork, and a cutting edge on the fork. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look inside. This is the bamboo lid. It's two pieces that are glued together. And this is the side you can prepare your food on, which we'll do in a little bit. And this is the inside of the box. And this is what the hinge looks like. Pretty sturdy material, holds the lid pretty well. And it comes with a mesh pouch here with the box. And this is our box here for reference. We're going to go ahead and make some food with this. Okay, we're all done cooking. Got some rice in there, Uncle Ben's. Not the best kind of rice, but will do the trick. Some onions and some peppers. And I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of butter to that, and we'll be all set. And then I'll come back with my final thoughts on the bento lunchbox. So that was a good meal. We used the 5-in-1 Spork that they gave us. Works pretty well, cleans up pretty nice. I like the polished look on it. And the bento box, what I did was, after I put it on the fire, I put it over the oven and I baked in the soot into the pot here and rubbed it a little bit. And now there's no soot that comes off of it. A little trick I learned with some of my stainless steel camping equipment. And the inside cleans up pretty well. And here's our cutting board. Overall, I do like this. I like the fact that I can use the lid as a cutting board for my food, vegetables, whatever. It's pretty useful out in the woods when you have to make everything count. The lid secures pretty decently inside. It's a great size, 0.9 liters, and it works pretty well. Cooking in it can be a little bit of a challenge to being small, but that's the whole point of a bento lunchbox. You pack your lunch in that box and you go. Now, you don't have to use it the exact way that I used it there on a fire. You can cook on a regular white gas stove and you won't have to deal with all the soot nonsense. But since I do camping and car camping and backpacking, this would be something in that realm, and I would use it in that fashion. Overall, I think it's a pretty decent buy for around $22. I think it's on Amazon for. And again, you can check out their 5-in-1 cutlery tool. Now, they also have a pouch that you can organize your stuff with that they sell as well. But that's pretty much all I have to say about the bento camping lunchbox from PWPAM. Thanks again for sending it out for review, and thanks for watching.